Feeling lost in the digital marketing maze? Let's cut through the confusion and get your message heard, loud and clear, with Kvcore newsletters. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard on the left-hand side, find the Marketing tab and click on it. This is your command center for all things email. Next, select Smart Campaigns from the drop-down menu. Don't worry, we're not building a complex campaign today. Just a simple, effective newsletter. Now, look for the Templates tab near the top of the page and give it a click. This is where the magic happens, where we'll design your beautiful newsletter. See that big Add Template button? Go ahead and click it. This will open up the template editor, where you can unleash your inner designer. Now, craft your message. You can drag and drop various content blocks like text, images, buttons, and even videos to create an engaging layout. Remember to keep it visually appealing and easy to read. Once you're happy with your design, save your template. Then go back to Smart Campaigns and this time, select the Scheduled Broadcasts tab here. You can schedule your newsletter to go out to your entire contact list. In the Send to settings, make sure you select everyone to reach your entire database. You can also segment your audience here if you want to send targeted newsletters in the future. Finally, choose the date and time you want your newsletter to be sent. A little planning goes a long way in maximizing engagement. Review everything one last time and hit schedule. Congratulations, you've just created and scheduled your Kvcore newsletter. Now, sit back, relax, and watch those leads roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.